Still is beautiful.
We should go back here when it's sunny.
At this time of the year, it will be a bit hard. Yesterday as well was very cloudy.
Let us,
Yesterday was cloudy.
yeah.
Today is cloudy.
Let us know in the comments down below if you guys want us to go back here on sunny day. Yeah.
Look at this one. Fuck, they're massive, these fishes. Oh, that's a baby one, but they're very big this time. They're very big. We're going to the bigger lake. He thinks you're bringing him food. Look. Wow.
Whoa.
See?
Yeah.
That's a proper salmon, huh? The ones you see in Ikea.
Proper.
Yeah, look. It's big, huh? Look at
Shoot.
that one.
So big.
But it's not allowed to fish.
No, I don't think so. I guess you can if you have a special permission.
Oh.
But I think there is a regulation for the sites in some areas. They can be because they say you bring in food, there is a machine here, and you can get food, and then you can throw it. Big, big, big.
Can you see it?
But because of the water now, you can see it like that. But when it's not raining, it looks like they're actually floating. Look, look, look.
Can you see it? So we are at the edge of the lake. Imagine if it's not raining. Siguro maganda yung lugar na to. Plus points. Right? Let's go inside, love. Like the sand is white.
Show a picture.
Hey guys, I wish I can go live and show you the place. Hi babe. But unfortunately there's not much internet. I have no data. But I have data. Ta-da!
Fucking seconds. I just need my honey.
Are you guys ready?
20 seconds.
20 seconds, right? Okay, so
To be working, and then we can go there. Because she's tired. You need to walk up quite a lot, like an hour walk.
Oh, climbing.
Yeah,
that's a lot.
sort of. It just goes up and up and up and up and up.
They have like woods here getting ready for the winter. So this is like a winter wonderland when winter comes. Yo, check this out, you guys. It's so clear. The water is so clear. Look at this. Whoa. You guys. It's so beautiful.
Which one?
Hey, man.
Hello.
You like it here?
We're seen here in Bluntautal.
Look at the house here. Cool. Hallo Leute. Wie geht's euch? It's my favorite word. Okay.
It's beautiful.
So it's beautiful. Look. It's nice.
Because you need to